size did you
vest. You're going to go through this line and select the vest that you pre-ordered, and then take a seat.
All right, thank
All right?
Everybody's starting to put on their Helping Hands vests before the orientation gets started. Very, very exciting. And we even have our little purple bags. Oh, let's ask somebody what's in their purple bag. Hi, what's your name?
Laura Anderson.
What district are you in?
I'm in District 11 out of Indiana.
Oh, hi, I'm Colleen, District 59 out of Europe.
Wow, I'm impressed. We're in Europe.
Specifically Paris.
Oh, you're going to be where the convention is next year.
Well, that's why I'm getting all the helpful hints right now from Helping Hands.
Very good.
So what's in the purple bag?
Okay, well, you have a nice program. And then you also have a holder for your registration, which you'll get when you register. And they do include a nice lanyard to hold it with, if you like those sort of things. I have an exciting badge about being here, and it says, "More members, richer experience, Toastmasters International." So we have those kinds of fun things. And then because I'm with Helping Hands, I got an extra little swag bag, which, you know, we can't go and pass that up. And it has a wonderful decanter to hold water in,
April,
a badge so we can remember that we were a helping hand, and a nifty little notebook with a pen that is all recycled materials. So you can take notes and have everything handy for you during your convention. I've used it during the year as following it in my job, and I found it to be invaluable. It was a great experience. So that's it. And then you have this absolutely stunning bag that is in the Toastmaster purple reddish green.
The Eiffel Tower.
So,
thank
we're
you,
here.
Laura, for that fashion
and we
show.
can see it. We can see the smoke.
And
What's going on over there? And you can see the flames.
You're more than
Notre
welcome.
Dame is right
I
over
hope
here.
everybody enjoys the convention. I know I
And we
am.
didn't know what it was. And the city.